At Springboard IT, we use Microsoft SharePoint and Microsoft Power Automate, which allow us to quickly create small utilities to collect and collate data. We then utilise this data to aid us to work more efficiently. One way we apply this is monitoring our productivity levels on a day-to-day basis. This is also useful for gauging other elements of a workplace, such as contentment, or anything you wish to gain quantitative data for. This is achieved through an email, which is automatically sent to staff, in our case on a daily basis, and gives a rating-based system for them to give feedback. This is an example of our daily distraction level email, which asks us to determine how distracted we were during that day. Giving feedback is as simple as clicking on the number which represents your answer. This automatically sends the data to SharePoint and updates the database. We use this data to create graphs and reports in Power BI, which allows us to review large amounts of data collected over a period of time. Springboard IT, making IT work. For more information, please visit springboardit.co.uk.